Hello everyone. Today we are going to study histopathology of Stevens-Johnson syndrome. So in Stevens-Johnson syndrome, we receive skin biopsy. So what we have to see in skin biopsy? In the epidermis, in case of early lesions, apoptotic keratinocytes are observed scattered in the basal layer of the epidermis. So in early lesions, apoptotic keratinocytes are seen only in the basal layer. In established lesions or late lesions, numerous necrotic keratinocytes, even full thickness necrosis of epidermis is noted. So in late lesions, full thickness necrosis of epidermis is noted with presence of subepidermal bulla. This subepidermal bulla, it is filled with extravasated RBCs. So in epidermis, apoptotic keratinocytes are important or full thickness necrosis is noted along with subepidermal bulla or blister filled with extravasated RBCs. In the dermis, there is seen inflammatory infiltrate, chronic inflammatory infiltrate comprising of lymphocytes, which is sparse or mild degree of inflammatory infiltrate is noted. In the papillary dermis, melanophages may be seen that occur in late lesions. The eccrine epithelium show changes from basal cell apoptosis to necrosis of the duct. So there is mild inflammatory infiltrate in the dermis along with presence of melanophages in the papillary dermis. This is the low power microphotograph of histopathology of Stevens-Johnson syndrome. This is the skin biopsy. This is the epidermis. And below there is blister, subepidermal blister or bulla formation. There is seen bulla formation at the level of subepidermal. This is epidermis. This is dermis. So bulla is seen subepidermal. So there is split at the level of subepidermal below the basal layer of the epidermis. This bulla or blister is filled with RBCs, and here the epidermis show necrosis, full thickness necrosis. This is the microphotograph of epidermal necrosis, high power view showing the full thickness epidermal necrosis. These keratinocytes are necrosed. So there is full thickness necrosis. These are apoptotic keratinocytes. Subepidermal bulla. This is the basal layer. So the split or bulla formation is subepidermal. These are RBCs or erythrocytes. So bulla or blister cavity, it is filled with extravasated RBCs. This photograph is also showing subepidermal blister filled with RBC. This picture is showing the dermal inflammatory infiltrate. This is papillary dermis showing mild dermal inflammatory infiltrate along with presence of melanophages. These are melanophages. So mild dermal inflammatory infiltrate along with presence of melanophages. Thank you.